Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Lisazapanta and welcome to my channel. So yeah, I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below. Okay, so for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make protein French toast. So this is like a healthy French toast. This is one of the breakfasts that I normally prepare, especially during weekends. I love weekends because that's the only time that I can get to prepare a good breakfast. I'm not rushing for work because normally at work I will just have some toast and some eggs and cheese. So yeah, so since it's weekend today, I get to prepare a good breakfast. So yeah, I hope you stick around in my channel and watch how I make the protein French toast. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the ingredients that you normally need to prepare a protein French toast. So for this French toast, I'm gonna be using just one egg, but I'll be using only egg white for this. I'm not going to use the yolk for this one. To mix all the ingredients, you're gonna need a shaker bottle, but if you don't have the shaker bottle, so a serving bowl will do. And then I'm gonna be using a skim milk or a non-fat milk, so you can use any milk of your choice. Then I'm gonna put everything in the shaker bottle, and of course, since I'm gonna be using only 2 slices of bread, I'm going to use half scoop of whey protein. Putting everything inside the shaker bottle, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna mix them well. So after mixing all the ingredients, you actually pour it in a pan. So you'll be using this pan to actually coat your toast. And I'm gonna be using 2 slices of bread. For the bread, I normally use those wholemeal bread like this one. This is a low sugar wholemeal bread. Make sure that you coat your toast very well. So I make sure to eat that. I'm not gonna waste any mixture for this one. After that one, of course, you need to toast the bread. There you have it guys, that's the protein French toast. You can add anything in your protein French toast. Like for me, I'm using this from Walden Farms. This is a 0-calorie syrup. And also the raspberry jam. This is also 0-calorie, and I put some blueberries on top of it as well as cinnamon. So this is it guys, that's how I prepare my protein French toast. And if you're going to do this protein French toast as well, Please leave your comments down below and let me have your feedback. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!